So, Mr. Hoover Convertible, tell me why you're here today.
My older baby fucked up this a lot of curves, and I'm really traumatized.
How did that make you feel?
Like a whore.
Like a cum-sucking whore?
I guess you could say it, or put it that way.
Okay. Okay. And how did you manage to escape?
I hung him out the window with my cord.
Sounds kinky. You probably liked that.
Oh, trust me, he did.
So, would you go ahead and start telling me how this began with the whole him making you suck up his cum?
Basically, he was pissed off at his wife. They got in a really huge fight. So to go piss her off even more, he goes and just takes his phone. I think like he almost finishes himself off. Then quickly like throws over the curtain and just busting out all over him.
I also heard that he was talking about something about replacing you with a Dyson DC-14.
Yeah, I was very mad at him for that.
So, he sounds like a dumbass that he's going to replace a Hoover Convertible with a Dyson DC-14.
Exactly, and my payback for him was I kept on randomly snapping belts and blowing up bags.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and suggest that you go ahead and turn to the cops and have them write up a restraining order against him. Would that be something you would be willing to do?
Loudly.
Alright. Alright, we'll make sure to contact them before you leave. Is there anything else that's happened in your younger vacuumhood that you should tell me? Or you want to?
Well, the thing is, I'm so old, I have really bad, I have extremely bad memory, so no, I can't really, like, recall anything.
I was gonna say, you look like you've had a rough life.
Yeah. I mean, I was being rammed a lot, like, I was being rammed underneath beds, tables, and, like, counters and stuff like that.
Yeah, you've got a lot of gashes, but you know, you're a good vacuum. You've got a good heart. You've got a good motor.
Thank you.
You're welcome, I guess. I'm talking to a vacuum! What is wrong with me? I think that should be a good ending. I can't do that anymore.